News spread like wildfire this morning that a health facility in Belize City was in chaos after there was at least one person exhibiting respiratory complications, a symptom of the novel coronavirus. By the time we got to the Belize Integral Health Center at the corner of Curaçao and Gibnut Streets, the facility had been closed and services discontinued until Friday. Residents say that there were suspicious activities at the center, after which an ambulance arrived and transported at least one person to the KHMH, where an isolation unit has been set up.
I saw little movements this morning, but I didn't know what it was. So we just kept inside and mind my own business. But we really didn't know what was going on.
They have ambulance where rush people to the KHMH, and kind of to make people live around the areas there, and coronavirus are a very serious thing we hear about from China and so forth. I mean, for we Belizeans, we need to take precautions of these things, because these things are very serious, But when it comes to the hospital itself, I mean, they should have known better, and they should have do better and know that to a fact that this thing is very dangerous. And we as Belizeans, we need to get that thing early, because in a day, we know that that thing is an airborne thing, and we need to deal with it.
The health center is just across the street from residential properties, home to a number of children and older persons. The elderly, as well as persons with chronic conditions, are more susceptible to severe cases of COVID-19. The medical practitioners, as well as security and police officers stationed in the area, were wearing masks and gloves. This raised alarmed bells in the neighborhood.
That is a concern because a lot of kids live in this area, and the resident is really close to the hospital, right in front of them, across from them, behind them. All around the hospital people live, so that is a concern to us as a resident in this area.
You do realize that they've closed their doors for today? They're not open for the rest of the day?
I didn't even know that.
The staff at the medical center then locked themselves inside, and as persons arrived for their appointments, they realized that the center was closed. But how prepared are residents for what the Ministry of Health says is inevitable to end up in Belize?
I think we're still not protected, because we should have known. They should have told us something at least.
How prepared are you, your family, because the government is saying that it's not if, it's when it's going to get here. How concerned are you about that?
I'm really concerned because I heard the coronavirus is deadly. So we have to try to protect ourselves in any kind of way. So they should have told us what is going on over there as the residents, the residents who live right across from them and around them.
They say wash your hands with water, with soap and water, all of that.
All of that.
Have you been teaching your children, your grandchildren?
Yes, every day. Every day. I tell them to wash their hands. Every minute I tell them wash their hand. Anything you touch, go wash your hand. We
just go by rumors, garlic and water. We're not so sure. We're not so sure about these things. We can't 100% sure. So, end of the day, I don't know if the facility is sure or 100% what they do. But otherwise than that, I don't know. We need to deal with it though.
Duane, Moody for News 5.